Hello, welcome. Today we are here to discuss about a question called reverse vowels of a string. Question number 345, which is an easy level question, and this has been asked in Accenture and also TCS company for their first round of the coding. So coming back to the question, given a string S, reverse only all the vowels in the string and return the string. So there is a string S, we need to reverse only vowels. I hope you already know what are the vowels are. If not, we can read the second line. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And they can appear in both lower and uppercase more than once. So it clearly mentions that there is a string S. Okay, there is a string S where it contains alphabets. In that alphabets, we also have vowels and consonants. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's take, and the string can contain uppercase letters and also lowercase letters. Let's take ice cream. Now this is the string. Like we already know how to reverse a string. Reverse of the string will be MAERCECI. So it's a straightforward thing. No need to even worry about this one. Okay. So now, but it's not about reversing the entire string. Okay. It's about reversing only vowels. We need to only reverse vowels, right? So as they mentioned, these vowels can be in uppercase or lowercase. So as we know, vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. The same things can be there in uppercase. So capital A, capital E, okay, capital I, capital O, and capital U. So these are the ones which we need to reverse, which we need to reverse. Okay, I hope you understand the question. So for this example, what will be the answer, guys? Just see me, come on. So I was there, and it's from this side. You see what is the character ICE. So C is not a vowel, it will come as it is. Not will not go in this way. So I and A, this will be swapped. So this will become A, C. Okay. And from back, it will be M as it is, and here it will become I. Okay, next it is E. So E and E will be served, which means same E's are there, and C, R. So it will be C, R. So this is how your string will look like after reversing. So we can confirm here also ACECREIM, ACECREIM. So this is how we need to reverse the vowels. Okay, as we already know how to reverse a string, the same approach works here. But only point is we should not reverse each and every character from first and last. We should only reverse a particular vowel. We need to only reverse a vowel. So I hope the question is clear. Let's jump into our discussion of the solution. So let me take the string again. ICE. Okay, this is our original string. Now, this is the original string. I hope this string is clearly visible to everyone. Now, let's take, okay. So as we know, we have two pointers. One is at the beginning, one is at the end. Okay. Now, usually what we will do is we will swap this I with M, this M with I, whenever we are reversing a string. But here, this is not the point. We should not reverse the entire string. We should only reverse the vowels. So first thing is, I need to see whether it is an vowel or not. Is it a vowel? Yes, this is an vowel. But is this an vowel? No, this is not vowel. So what should I do? I should move my P2 pointer, my second pointer to next character. Now, is this an vowel? Yes. Now I will swap. I will swap this A with I. So this will become A and this will become I. And after that, again, now what should I do? Should I simply go to next character? See, No, there is no point of going to C and comparing again. I need to go from this place to E. Why I should skip C? Why I should skip C? Because C is not a oval. That's all. So my pointer one will start moving from C to E directly. After reaching E, I will stop pointer one movement. Now P2. Should I simply go to next pointer? Yes, here it works. P2 goes to the next character. Now E and E. Yes, they are ovals and they are obviously same, even though we will simply swap them. Okay. E and E swapped. Now my P1. I'll first move P1. I'll go to C, I'll go to R. These are not ovals. I'll go to E again. Now if you observe, my pointer 1 and pointer 2 are on same index. When they are on same index, is it required to swap there? Obviously not. There is no point. Like we are done. Like when though both the pointers are matched, that means that we are at single character and single character there is no need to swap at all. So we will simply come out of our process. I hope the process that we are discussing is clear. If not, let me take one more example for your explanation. So let's take C, B, D, A, B, C, O. This is O, guys. O, B, C, D. Now, what will be swapped? This A should be swapped with this O. That's all. I have only written these two. O will be swapped with A. This is what the solution is. But initially where we are at? Initially we are at this index. This is our pointer 1. And here we are at pointer 2. We are at pointer 2. Okay. Now, these are the initial values. Now, should I compare this C with D? Should I swap? Obviously not. Why will I swap? I need to swap two values, two indexes, positions when they are ovals. Is it an oval? No. What should I do? Go to the next one. Is it an oval? No. Is it an oval? No. Is it an oval? Yes. P1 is at oval now. Very good. Now P2. Is it at oval? No. Move. Is it an oval? See? No. Is B an oval? No. Is O an oval? Yes. So P2 will stop here. P2 will stop here. Now compare A and O. They are ovals. So obviously what we will do, this will become A. This will become O. After that, we need to move. I'll go to the next character, P1. Is it an oval? No. Is it an oval? No. Now, is this an oval? Yes. P1 is at oval, but P1 and P2 are at same point. P1 and P2 are at same point. Now, they have reached the common point, which means when we are reversing, whenever we reach a common point, we will stop. So the same thing happens, which means this tells us whenever P1 and P2 meet this, P1 and P2 meets, that means the string has been reversed. The string has been reversed. I hope this is clear. Let's jump into our solution. Okay. So let's take in P1 equals to 0, P2 equals to S dot length minus 1. And let's convert our string into character array. Let's convert our string into character array. And now let's iterate on our character array for not even for why we will iterate while P1 less than P2. Okay, first move P1 till a oval. So till you met an oval, move P1. So how you will move P1? Obviously P1 plus plus. But how many times I need to move my P1? Do we have any number of times? Yes, we have. While P1 should be less than P2. And why I am writing this condition here is we are moving P1 more than one time, which means it can go beyond our P2 range. That's the reason we are writing this condition, guys. And I need to check for the oval condition. So it's an oval or not. So str of I P1 is equal to oval. A is an oval. Right? How many ovals we have? 5. So let's copy. Let's paste it back. AEI. So if P1 less than P2, and if it is not an oval, if it is not an oval, we will move ahead. So if it is not a oval in the sense, it should not become A, it should not be E, it should not be I. And let me simply copy this for multiple times, guys. Okay. AEI, O, U. Now the same thing. A, E, I, O, E, I, O. STR of P1 equal to U. Okay. If this is an oval, if a current character is oval, okay. If current character is not a oval, okay. We are comparing with the ovals. If it is not a oval, then what we need to do? Move P1. Okay, till we reach a point. Now move P2 till we reach a oval. Same thing. Let's copy the same thing, but it will become P2. P2 minus minus. And here the condition is P1, P2 greater than P1. Okay. Why we wrote this condition? P2 will can reach to the end. So it should be P2 greater than P1. And now if like we reached oval at P2, P1 is also oval. What we need to do? We need to swap indexes values at P1 and P2. P1 and P2. Now we know that P1 is pointing to an oval, P2 is pointing to oval. Now what should I do? I should simply swap them. How we will swap? So let's take a temporary variable. That temp equal to what we need to do? str of P1, str of P1, str of P2 equal to str of P1. And now not P1 guys, sorry. P1 equals to P2, str of P2 equals to, now we will take temp. This is a very simple swap logic. Now after that, very simple thing. We will move over P1 and P2. That's all. That's all guys. This is what we need to do. But you just think of a scenario that if, if, let's take an example and let's see. A, B, sorry, not A. Let's delete this. Let's take B, C, D. Here, what is the character we have? Here it will be P1. Here it will be P2. Is this an oval? No. So P1 will go to the next step. Is this an oval? No. Now P1 will be going to here. Is it will check? Is it will it check for an oval? No, because our condition is our condition. What is our condition, guys? What is our condition? P1 less than P2. Now P1 is equal to P2, so it will not move. But what happens? It will simply swap here. Swap here. Right? Why should even I swap there? Like there is no point of swapping. Right? So that's the reason what we will do here is if P1 less than P2, then only swap. Or else don't even swap any characters. Why should I swap again anything? Okay, let's, and at the end, whatever the characters are there, so return new string of str. That's all. This is what we will do, guys. I hope the approach is clear to everyone. We are simply converting it into character array. I hope everyone knows why we are converting into character array. Okay, wait. Oh, we missed an or symbol here. We missed an or symbol here too. Yes, that's the reason. We copied, but we haven't copied the or last. Oh, sorry. Same thing. Yes, correct. So we move till P1, we move till P2, and after reaching P2, we will simply swap the indexes. I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's catch up in the next video. Until then, see you.